Congratulations, you just bought your brand new standalone fingerprint time clock from us as Banco Global Limited ICT. This is how it comes. It comes packaged with the adapter and the hook right here. Now we are going to show you how to do the installation. First of all, these are the keys. This is the display screen and this is the thumbprint. Now this menu will take you to this drop down: employee, device settings, system info, you down, upload. When we click on OK here, it takes us to the employee. Now we can do the registration of the employer of the employee of the organizations that you are going to capture their attendance. Now you enter register. This is their ID number. If it's 1, leave it at 1. You come to name, you say name. When you're at name, you put say Daniel. You click on this to change the caps lock. Put down 1 A 2. Menu will help you to delete 1 and this 2. Now this is done. Set. You said okay. It goes to department. Which department do you want is done working in the organization? You got to set it. This account, HR, production, R&D, purchase, logistics. You said okay. Then you come to the finger print. You enter here. It captures your fingerprint. We encourage you to use your index finger. Now you click on this 1. You press 2. You press again 3. You said enroll. OK. You come to your password. You enter password. You say password. Say 1 2 3 4. Each of your employees are going to have their unique password. Okay, so that if the thumbprint if they don't use their thumbprint, they can use their password alternatively. Now this is okay. Now it's going to show us the privilege of this user. Is it the admin or a mere user? Other staffs are mere users. The admin will have to register themselves as admin and choose this option. Now that you are done, you escape. Daniel is registered on this computer, on this standalone time clock already. Now let's view. You see, when you are viewing user, you see Daniel there. You see the Dan there. Yeah. Now let's go back to setting page. Put fee. Oh, this is 1 2 3 4 5. 5 digits is what you can take. So we are stopping at this voyage for name. Now we go okay. This is voyage. Attendance rule. That is number 2. Attendance rule. If the department is not pre-installed on this machine, if your department is structured different and is not on this machine, here you can do the setting on this set. Now you come to your shift schedule. You say shift 1. Your staffs are to resume what time? 8 a.m. in the morning. If not, you change it 8:30 a.m. After this time they are late. They are to go out, break 12 and come in 13. Within this time they can still go clock in and clock out, and then the PM out is 5 o'clock. 5:30 is their final closing time. If this does not suit yours, you can actually edit it to suit yours. Then this is the overtime in and overtime out. Once this is set, then you can escape. You can escape. Then you can set your device time and date here if it's not set already on the device, and then you can go to general setting and put your machine number. If you want to change the language, you want to change your year, month, day format, and then the volume, you want to remove the volume of the sounds, you you can do that here. Now let's go to system info. System info shows you the registered data, the free space, all the space and all that. Now this is the download. Download requires you to put your flash drive here, not more than 16 gig. You insert it here and simply click on this download. When you do that, it shows you the attendance report or attendance record. Which one do you want to see? Attendance report, depending on what you want at the time, and then you click it. If it is user data, all the data of the staffs that are registered here, you get it from this number 4. User information, you get yourself from here. Now you come that the attention report or attention record, you click on it and it will automatically download into your flash drive. Once it does, you put it on your laptop and then get the full attendance record of the period that you selected to be downloaded. Now maybe you are coming with another data from machine 1 to machine 2, you can upload it here too from your flash drive. Thank you very much. This is one of the most simplest machine to use, and I will encourage you to get one at least for your organization. It's very simple to install, does not require internet, does not require data, does not require anything. Everything here is already pre-installed. Now take a look at this machine already, because I am registered here as the admin. You can no longer open except I don't print it, and then it opens up for me. Now you can see as your staffs are coming in the morning, they line up. It takes only 1 second to capture their thumbprint, and then they move to the order. Thank you very much. I hope this video has been very helpful.